In this video, I'll show you the new method to pin posts on Instagram after the recent update. First, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed on your device. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and update Instagram if needed. Open Instagram and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile page. Locate the post you want to pin to the top of your profile grid. Here's where it gets different. Instead of tapping the three dots on the post, you need to long press directly on the post itself. Hold your finger down on the post for about 2 seconds. Once you long press, you'll see a pop-up appear. You'll now see the pin to main grid option. Simply tap on it, and your post will be pinned to the top of your profile. To unpin a post later, just long press on the pinned post again and you'll see the unpin from profile option. And that's the new method to pin post on Instagram.